Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I know I look a little bit crazy with this eye makeup and nothing else on my face, and it's for very good reason. Today I wanted to show you how I cover my breakouts. First things first, I prime my face as always. Then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. Today it is not dampened, and here's why. I find that when it's not dampened, you get a more full coverage effect with your foundation and concealer. Because I guess maybe the water doesn't dilute it as much. So a non-dampened sponge, and I'm going in with my MAC Studio Sculpt foundation. I'm using this foundation because it is extremely full coverage. When I put it on, I feel like I have baby doll skin. So that's what I'm doing today. Alrighty, so that's a pretty good base. Now I'm going to go in with some concealer. I normally use my NARS Creamy Concealer in the color Ginger because it's my favorite. It's really full coverage. Today I'm trying not to waste it because I'm running out, so I'm going to be using my CoverGirl Outlast All Day, which is honestly pretty full coverage for something that you would get at the drugstore. So, as always, I'm going to put it under my eyes, down my nose, and then really making sure to put it on any blemishes that I have. Blending out under my eyes as usual. And when I get to the acne, I'm going to make sure to do straight up and down, like bouncing motions, because I don't want to spread the coverage around. I want it to stay exactly where I put it. So right over the acne, I'm just going to pounce right up and down. And then to blend out, you're going to kind of go like, to blend out, you're going to go kind of like around where you put it, to blend out those edges a lot, really. And that's going to make sure that you get the maximum amount of coverage where you want it, like on the blemish. Okay, so this next part's kind of weird. I'm going to set my face, but not in the usual way. I'm going to be taking my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC40, and I'm going to be using the little sponge that comes with it because I feel like you can really pack the foundation on that way. And I know like a lot of people wouldn't want to put a powder foundation over this, but I feel like it gives me more coverage. So that's why I'm doing this, and I don't think it looks very cakey at all, especially after I use a setting spray. So I'm just going to use this to set all the places where I put concealer. And honestly, I love that drugstore concealer. It is comparable, I would say, to my NARS Creamy Concealer. It's really nice. Okay, really making sure to pack it on where I do have the acne. There we go. Flawless, flawless, flawless skin. It looks really good in camera, and honestly, it looks really good in person. Like, it doesn't look like I'm wearing makeup, and I know that's kind of like weird to say with how full coverage it is. It's not cakey at all whatsoever, so it's great. Last but not least, and this part is crucial, because sometimes because I did put on a lot of foundation, you need to put a setting spray on, and that will kind of blend everything into your skin and make it look more natural. I'm using Matte Finish setting spray today. I don't want to look dewy because I don't want to, highlight any of those blemishes that may have a little more depth to them, so I'm going with a matte setting spray today. Alrighty, so I went ahead and finished up my makeup as I normally would, and honestly 0 to 100 real quick because I had a huge breakout earlier. You can't really tell. Let's get a little up close. Right, and I think my skin looks great and not cakey, and so I hope that you learned a lot from this tutorial. If you did, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much. Bye.